This is a rare car that we've brought along today. This is a BMW M1, which is one of 453 units, and 400 of those were road cars. Not a lot of people here have experienced them, and there's a lot to experience because they're a very different kind of mishmash of qualities that you get from other cars.
The BMW M1 excites me because it really encompasses quite a few things that I'm passionate about. One of them is racing, because they were designed to be race cars. Secondly is design. I mean, the thing is an incredible looking car. And thirdly, I've got a big passion for art, and BMW, and particularly the BMW Pro Car M1, was one of their art cars, and it was painted by Andy Warhol. The BMW Art Cars is an incredible series of artists that painted these BMW and included some incredible names: Roy Lichtenstein, Frank Stella, Aussie artist Ken Doane, and Aussie Aboriginal artist Michael Jagamara-Nelson. Calder started it, and that's one of my favourite cars, and it's a great story. A French racing car driver who was also an art auctioneer thought he wanted to combine two of his loves, racing and art. So he approached the head of BMW Motorsport, Jochen Neerpasch, and said, can we get an artist to paint one of these cars as a promotional thing that we can race? Jochen thought it was a good idea, so he said, yeah, here's a BMW 3-litre CSL, one of their factory race cars, and he approached Alexander Calder, who's an incredible artist, one of my favourite artists, and got him to paint the car. And then they raced the car at Le Mans. So an incredible piece of art, flying around a circuit. Didn't quite make the full 24 hours, but you know, incredible to see such a significant piece of art go racing. And the Warhol M1 went racing as well. So with Warhol art being the value that it is,
Yeah.
most people say that that car is the most expensive car in the world.
There's another story that goes with that art car. Whenever the artists showed up to paint the art cars, BMW gave them a quarter-scale model. Warhol refused to paint a model and said, either you give me the car and I paint it, or I don't do an art car.
Warhol flew out with his entourage of people.
Of course.
He painted that car in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
He literally got his paint out and just went for it. He didn't do a design or anything like that.
He did it out of his brain, like a sketch.
Yeah. But I just love seeing art on cars.
Well, they make a good canvas, don't they?
Yeah.